In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website publicly accessible and share the link with others. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, an online portfolio, or a business site, making it accessible to the public is a crucial step to ensure your audience can find you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to make sure your site is publicly available. Start by heading over to your website's settings. You'll typically find this option on your website's dashboard, which is a hub for controlling various aspects of your site. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Site Availability. This is where you can manage how your site is accessed. Select the public option. Setting your site to public means anyone on the internet can view it. This step is essential if you want your site to be discoverable through search engines and accessible to anyone who has your URL. If you see options like private or restricted to members, avoid those for now, as they limit who can view your content. By keeping it public, you're ensuring maximum reach and engagement. Once your site is public, you'll want to test the URL to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Simply copy the URL of your website. This URL is essentially your online address, a unique string of characters that will direct visitors straight to your site. To copy it, you can usually find the URL displayed in your dashboard, highlight the URL by clicking and dragging your cursor over it, then right-click and select copy, or you can use a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. With your URL copied, it's time to share it with your intended audience. This step is where your work gets the exposure it deserves. Think about how you'd like to reach your audience. Do you have an email list that would love to hear from you? Or maybe you want to post it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram for a broader reach. Paste the URL into the body of an email or a social media post. You can do this by right-clicking your mouse and selecting paste, or using Ctrl+V or Command+V on your keyboard. Be sure to include an inviting message to let people know what they can expect when they click through. For emails, perhaps mention a recent blog post or new updates. On social media, keeping it brief but engaging can entice more clicks. And there you have it. Your website is now ready for the world to see. Keep monitoring visitor interactions and updating your site regularly to keep your audience engaged. And remember, sharing your URL is just the beginning of building your online presence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy sharing.